Bonjour et bienvenue. I learn French with Sudha Pandey. Folks, as we know, that topic itself is saying that today we are going to discuss the month's name. Mois, M-O-I-S, and in the pronunciation is Mois. Mois. Mois means months. Suppose les mois de l'année. Mois de l'année means the months of the year, right? The question, like whenever we want to ask how many months are there in a year, so what we have to do, we have to frame this like this: combien de means how many, combien de mois means months, y-a-t-il means there is or there are, combien de mois y-a-t-il dans une année. Okay, all together what we have to say: combien de mois y a-t-il dans une année? How many months are there in a year? Whenever in any question y-a-t-il is there, so you have to start your answer with, always we start our answer with il y a. So you have to start, there are 12 months in a year, right? So first we will write il, that is already written there. Y is already written there. Ya, then after that A is already here, and y-a-t-il means, that means the complete form you have to lift from there and paste it here. Il y a means there is or there are. There are, so this part is done. And how many months are there? That is 12 months. So 12 is what is in French, as we know, that we have already covered in the numbers name. 12 is douze. 11, 12, 13, like 11, 12, 30. The douze is 12. So write down here. There are 12. D-O-U-Z. Douze. And mois. Mois is months. So write from there. Mois, write like this. Mois. There are 12 months. Or in a year, you just copy from here and completely paste it here. Dans as it is, une as it is, and année as it is. Nothing to do in this one. Just cut from there and paste it here. So there are 12 months in a year, right? Clear? So question was there, les mois de l'année, that means the months of the year. The question is there, how many months are there in a year? Combien de mois y a-t-il dans une année? How many months are there in a year? As we know, there are 12 months in a year. So answer is il y a 12 mois. Il y a is already written there. Just this part you have to paste it here. Lift from there. I pasted here. So il y a 12, as we know, 12 is 12. So 12 mois is months. Okay, dans means D-A-N-S. Dans and une année. So how to say? Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Okay, so clear? Now let's come to the month's name. I have already written in English part Jan, that means it's a self-explanatory, that January, February, March, April, all these months are written in English. So what is January in French? That is Janvier. Okay, Janvier, and the pronunciation is Janvier. Janvier. Okay, so pronunciation is Janvier. J is not J, it's J. Okay, Janvier, right? And February is Février. F, and this, so the accent over E, V-R-I-E-R. Février, and the pronunciation is Février. Okay, this accent I'll explain all the accent in my previous video. I'll discuss in my next video. So you just copy the word as it is. So E, over E we have this circle matra, you may say in Hindi, and in French we say it accent. Okay, so Février, that means Février, that is February. March is M-A-R-S, and the pronunciation is Mas, right? Ma pe badiya ki matra and sa, Mas. And next month is April, right? And the April is A-V-R-I-L, right? And the pronunciation of April is Avril, right? Avril, right? May is May. May is May, right? June is juin, Juin, juin. Again, j के नीचे छोटा बिंदी, the sound will become j, juin. Okay. July is Juillet, right? And the pronunciation is juillet, juillet. Okay. First you copy the month's name like this. I'll explain it again, the right sound of the month's name. August. Now 8th month is August. August is A-O-U-T, right? And over E-O, this again, this is small hat. You may say this matra or this accent is called circumflex. Okay. Over A-O, you have to put this sign. Okay. This sign is called circumflex. Okay. Put this line, and the pronunciation is oot, right? Now September is September. See, September, October, November and December, right? One from this to this, it's very easy. See, same spelling, September. Till this point we are writing the same spelling. Okay, see this point till same spelling. Okay, only what we have done, only the inversion means in place of E I am putting R, or in place of R I am putting E. See, only this place we have to change. This means last two alphabets, right? October, write the spelling as it is. I write the pronunciation same spelling, Octobre, only this place changed. Then November, Novembre, only last placed change, last two alphabets changed. Okay, December, Decembre. Here again only two last alphabets places have been changed, right? So, and the pronunciation is, till this October we have done, this is August we have done, that is oot. September is septembre, right? Septembre, right? Septembre. This is bha, right? Septembre. Then October, right? Then November. This one bha and ra. November, and the same way is this one. Last one is December. Okay, so let's do it again. 12 months are there. Question was les mois de l'année, that means the months of the year. Question can be asked in your examination in your BCom, BBA and BA tourism. The question most of the time it has been asked, like in the previous classes question paper I have seen this question was there. Combien de mois y a-t-il dans une année? How many months are there in a year? So you have to answer like this. Ilya, don't start your answer just writing the month's name. Always start your answer, always support your answer with these two lines, right? Ilya means there is or there are. Ilya, here we are talking about there are 12 mois, 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Now, months names are here. Write in English part first, write English January to December, blah blah blah, like that. Then what is January is Janvier, Janvier, and the pronunciation is Janvier. Okay, I repeat it, and after once I do this thing, I would like to that you all. Okay, so as we know, like the question can be there. Combien de mois y a-t-il dans une année? The answer is there. I have explained that one. January is Janvier. Okay, all of you repeat after me. Say Janvier. February is Février. March is Mars, right? April is Avril. May is Mai. June is Juin. July is Juillet. August is Août. August is oot. Okay, oot. September, same spelling. September, October, November, December. They have the same spelling. Only last two alphabets they have the inversion. In place of E you put R, and in place of R you put E. So Septembre, Septembre, and the pronunciation is Septembre. October is Octobre. November is Novembre, and December is Décembre. Okay. Encore fois, tous les garçons, répétez après moi. Encore fois. I request all of you to repeat after me one more time. Okay, so that you get the right sound. Otherwise, what will happen? You will, in place of oot, you will say oot. That sounds something weird. Okay, so let's do the revision of January, February once more time, and that will be the last one. Okay, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juin, juillet, juillet, août. Kindly see the lips. Août, septembre, novembre, novembre, décembre. Okay, one more time. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? So if the month's name are written in French, it's very easy to make out whether which month we are talking about. See, almost starting two alphabets of the month's name are the same. Only 1-2 places are there which I'll explain to you. Say JA, that means JA. Same spelling, that means January we are talking about. If this month is given, only this part is given, JANVIER. You are not aware which month we are talking about, but you can easily make out that JAN, that means we are talking about January. February, FE, right? February. March, MA, right? All these months have the same starting, MAFEJAN. April, this is little bit different. Okay, it's starting with A, it is also starting with A, but the second alphabet is different. Here we have V, but here we have P. June, this one same, JU, and the pronunciation is Juin. July, this one same alphabet. See, August, AU, and here AO. This means this April and August different. Baki rest months are the same. SE, OC, NO, DE. The same starting of the alphabets, right? Only April and August, 2 months are there where the starting of the alphabets is different. Here APRIL, here AVRIL, here AUGUST, here AOUT. So rest you can easily make out. Maybe in your examination you can find the month's name. You have to match the column A, match the column with column A with the column B. Maybe it's written a French name. You have been asked to write the English one. So easily you can make out whether which month we are talking about. Only April and August, 2 months are there where you have to be little bit conscious. Otherwise, rest months name are the same. That's it for today. Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, mademoiselle. Bisous. Salut.